crisp day in NY. Looking at 40 degrees. Nice morning to take a jog. Be the first one to tell you, running is not my forte, but it'll be good to lose a few pounds. With the gyms and coronavirus and all the uncertainty, I haven't had a chance to go into a gym quite some time. So running, here we come. What's the best way to do it? Perhaps you don't want to overexert yourself at once. So the method that we're taking here is a little bit of running and walking. Running and walking. Not to overexert yourself. As you can see the my surrounding neighborhood here. I live in the next town over from where I grew up. Been here all my life. Been here all my life. Oh, look at those balloons. Look at those balloons. How was the dentist today, buddy? Good. Good. You got 2 balloons. You got a worm. A toy. Yeah.
I got a Ninja Turtle car coming.
I got a Ninja Turtle car coming? Who's your favorite Ninja Turtle?
The Ninja Turtle bad guy.
Ninja Turtle bad guy? I think they're all good guys. I don't know. She got a new toothbrush. New toothpaste and toothbrush?
Yeah.
What type of toothbrush was it?
Batman.
Batman. That's cool. That's cool. Oh, look at the wormy. Look at the wormy. Yeah. Okay. Scary worm. And this would be to the place where they have all the fruit. Lucas. Hey. 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 Come on. Leave that alone. Leave that alone. Where is the kale for dinner? All the yummy bread. Babe, do we get pizza bread from here?
I don't see it.
Oh.
I don't see it.
Okay. No lobsters, buddy.
No crabs.
No crabs.
What? What's that?
What, baby? Yeah, no crabs, no lobsters. All gone.
Mommy, when are you going to put some in there?
There's some important going down.
So, when are you going to put some more?
Starburst I like.
So you want to get it?
No.
You want the Starburst?
No.
Why?
I don't want it.
It has strawberry in it.
What?
It has strawberry in it.
No, it's okay.
This one has peachy one. And then you want to get Mentos?
Mentos.
You want to get them?
No.
Oh. This.
Yuck. No chocolate.
That's
stop it, because you can get hurt.
I want to look at those.
What? Look at the rabbits. Bunnies and oh, look at little cow. A little cow.
What's that?
I see.
He's kissing. He's kissing.
Trying to find a wagon, but no wagon to be found. Nope, no wagons. Probably gonna need to take a second little shopping cart. Now, one thing that we can all agree on, all mankind, is that Dollar Tree has great snacks. Stacking up on the egg rolls. Late night snack, nothing wrong with that. What else we got here? Sometimes when you're in a pinch, you know, you gotta make do. They always get you. Probably at least $30 right there.
Who?
Combined.
Me, it's probably 30. You are probably 30.
She's $60
I
at
know.
the Dollar Tree. $53 in Dollar Tree. $53 in Dollar Tree.
What?
$53. Dollar Tree loves us. Dollar Tree really loves us. Spend a lot, you get a lot. McDonald's, dun dun dun. Crispy chicken sandwiches, spicy.
This is like a very bad door.
Raya.
My cheeseburger that had ketchup on it. Why don't I eat that
Well, I
one?
saved half for Daddy. My mommy had half and you had half.
Okay.
Look at your Ninja Turtles car, bud. That's a cool car. Leonardo, yeah, that's cool. Wow.
Look.
You got that after the dentist, right?
Yeah.
That's cool. I see. I see. Oh, look about the world. Dorothy, I'm going to Kansas. Oh, that's the line. Oh no, we're not in Kansas no more. Shop line. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Windy. 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 Not that windy.
Oh, God. I think they have a generator, though. Great. You can't go shopping. That's the wind that knocked everything out.
Yep.
And if you are afterwards.
Spooky.
So the power went out. Looks like a line went down outside because of the wind. So let's go to the supermarket.
Chris, you're becoming a YouTuber? Are you documenting everything?
What are you doing?
Are you becoming a YouTuber?
Well, it could have been worse.
Are you a Facebooker? YouTuber?
Could have been worse. We could have actually had our full basket of groceries.
Oh, yeah. Oh, like this person here was just about done. And then went. It might be up and running in a matter of a couple of minutes. Look at this. Giant cow. Wow. Look at him. Boop, boop. Looks like a big cow.
Big.
Wow.
Tommy?
Yeah.
Mommy, what's that thing?
Cool.
And that comes with cars.
We'll make you a better basket though, buddy. Those are pre-made. Those are pre-made baskets.
How much are you?
Great. Tony the Tiger says, they're great. Life-size boxes. Wifey goes, yeah, that's it. Of course. That's it. That's definitely it. All right. Nice grocery bill. We're going to do Coinstar. How much do you think is in here? I think we're looking at $14.25. Took me forever to collect this. So let's see what we have. About 280 right now. Still going, still going, still going, still going. Looks like we might be done. Never fun. Oh, the unpacking. The unpacking, never fun. Never fun. What are you doing, looking in? You what? Yeah. What language are you learning there?
Huh?
Huh? Yeah, exactly.
Huh?
Huh? What? Dzień dobry. Nie gadaj. What are you talking about? Polish? That's not Polish. Say nie gadaj. Hmm? Say dzień dobry.